It's a lifestyle of addiction: drugs, violence, prostitution.
I'm 46 years old. My name is Janet. I've been out here for a long time.
There are dozens of prostitutes on Kansas City streets, dozens of women just trying to survive.
I mean, we all got a journey. You know, God knows His plan for us. We all got a journey.
For many on the street, it's likely their paths at some point will cross with Tanya Toda.
If we can just help one, then we will have served the community.
Tanya is chair of Beyond the Cuffs, an outreach initiative that partners with police.
I'm not here to just arrest them and throw them in jail. I try to mentor them, I try to counsel them, and I try to treat them like a human being.
Proof there's life after prostitution? One only needs to look at Caroline German. After a lifetime of sexual exploitation and 6 years working Kansas City streets, Caroline is now Beyond the Cuffs' shining star.
You know that you can't go back and make up for lost time, but you can always move forward.
4 years clean, Caroline continues to make progress. She's found a new purpose with Beyond the Cuffs.
It allowed me to be able to hit the streets and reach out to the people that I care most about.
Providing everything from bus tickets to food, shelter, and detox.
Every time you invest a little bit of time into somebody's life, the next time they go back, it makes it a little bit harder for them to really enjoy that lifestyle.
Because Beyond the Cuffs operates solely on volunteers, others are needed.
Everyone has something in them that they can lend to help their community. I'm just one, and I'm out here doing it. And I'm out here doing it because I believe in my community and I believe in Kansas City. So the power of you goes a long way.